Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a directional mic, adjustable gain, and a quiet workspace. First, set input gain low enough to keep peaks around -12 to -6 decibels. Then move the mic off the direct key strike path. Place it 6 to 12 inches away and slightly above your mouth to reduce impact noise. Once done, mount the mic on a boom or shock mount and add a foam windscreen. These physical steps cut mechanical coupling and high-frequency key clicks immediately. Now you handle the complex middle work in software. Start with a high-pass filter set around 80 to 120 Hz to remove low rumble and desk vibrations, then inspect the spectrum to locate key click energy, typically between 2 and 8 kHz. Use narrow notch filters and sweep to attenuate those spikes rather than killing the whole band. Once the notches are set, add light broadband compression and a de-esser to soften fast transients without making the voice lifeless. Finish by removing residual keyboard noise and polishing the voice. Record 2 to 5 seconds of keyboard-only audio as a noise profile, then apply spectral noise reduction gently to avoid artifacts. Reduce only what's necessary. If clicks persist, use a transient shaper or noise gate tuned with an appropriate attack and release, or sidechain the gate to speech so voice passes through untouched. Finally, listen in mono and a /B compare before export, and save a preset so you don't redo these calibrated settings next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.